How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek with the Master Investor Academy, and once again, it is Margarita Day, and we are sitting here with Jill, who just closed her first wholesale deal, and she's getting a check for $4,604, and she's got a great story about how she got that lead, so I want her to tell you about it.
Okay, I was walking in Home Depot with my t-shirt on that says "We Buy Houses,"
Like this, right here.
and the chick called, she's like, "Hey, I know someone that needs to sell a house," and I said, "Do tell." And she went on to tell me about the place and how to contact the person, and so I contacted them, and we talked. It took a couple of months, but they came around, and they took my offer, and everybody's happy.
And that is what it's all about. So once again, we just want to have margaritas and celebrate her very first deal, $4,604 off of wearing her We Buy Houses shirt. It doesn't get any better than that. Jill, you have anything else to say?
How about that check, man?
How about that check? That's all we have for you today. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.